Stardust dreams on the Milky Way, wishing on satellites every day. Galaxies whirl in a cosmic ballet. Let's get lost where the comets play. Neon lights from a distant star, flying in our spaceship car. Through the nebula not so far, together we'll go bizarre. Maybe where the moonlight glows in the whispers that the universe knows. Interstellar hearts on a cosmic tide. Let's leave our footprints side by side. Planet hopping from Mars to Venus, hear the symphony in between us. Asteroids dance in a meteoric rush, feel the universe's gentle hush. Twinkling skies with secrets to share, cosmic love floating everywhere. In this space, no worries, no despair. We're boundless, there's love in the air. Maybe where the moonlight glows and the whispers that the universe knows. Interstellar hearts on a cosmic tide. Let's leave our footprints side by side. Interstellar hearts on a cosmic tide. Let's leave our footprints side by side. I found a spaceship in my backyard, made of candy and dreams not too far, with bubblegum stars lighting my way to a galaxy where night turns day. The aliens wear neon sugar suits, in cosmic sneakers they dance and hoot. The planet's last Sunday never ends, with rainbow roads that twist and bend. Bubblegum galaxy, take me high on marshmallow clouds through caramel sky. In a universe where laughter flies, we'll float like twinkling candy lights.